Assalamu alaikum everyone! I will be cooking today aloo pakoras. Chop the potato into thin slices. Two tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Handful chopped coriander leaves. 1 cup of chickpea flour. Oil for frying. 1 cup of water. Meanwhile, heat up the oil. Into a deep dish, add 1 cup of chickpea flour and rest of our dry ingredients. Take your 1 cup of water and add a little bit of it. I will be using a hand mixer. I will start first with the slowest speed. Gradually, I will be adding water. Now I can change speed to the highest because I am no longer worried that all of the powders will fly into the air. I am adding a coriander leaves and I will give it a mix. Time for chili flakes and also our mixer. That's how perfect butter should look like. It should be a bit runny. And now, my husband, the model, he will demonstrate how the butter should look like on the sliced potato. It's time for frying. I am using a medium flame and I will be frying my pakoras until they will have a golden color. As an example here, I am using non-spicy butter for my children. Enjoy this delicious aloo pakora recipe.